Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Heavy Mining Equipment, where we think if everything in life was easy, it would be simply boring. That's why we're inviting you to join us on a mining adventure, packed with adrenaline. So buckle up, grab a beer, and get ready to enjoy the ride. If you're a true fan of Ken Block, you're in the right place. If you like Burnout, you're also in the perfect place. And if heavy equipment is your passion, you're definitely at the right spot. This 380 tons Bella's dump truck is struggling to climb this slippery slope, even though it's fully loaded with copper ore. Such driving conditions are very common during the rainy season, making it challenging for drivers to navigate smoothly. And if you're wondering where the grader is, well, someone has to record this amazing burnout. Big bada boom baby, who doesn't like it? In the mine blasting process, well, planning is a key factor. Engineers drill precise bore holes into the rock, precisely placing explosives. Once set, a controlled detonation fractures the rock, allowing for efficient extraction. And when it comes to ore extraction, these yellow giants you see in the video come into play. Although it seems to me that these giants were in danger from mining blasting, or maybe not. Well, you be the judge. Now, take a look at this 2,300 horsepower beast, plowing through the mud like a child at play. In situations like these, where the truck is at full throttle, even the slightest reduction in speed could lead to getting stuck. But the managers have no reason to worry, because behind the wheel are tough and experienced drivers. As we like to say, bad mother F. I love the smell of burning tires in the morning. This beast isn't doing as well as the one earlier. The reason is that this Bella's truck is empty and driving uphill. In such situations, when there's no grader or bulldozer at that moment, the driver simply has to burn the tires because there isn't enough weight and traction on the rear tires. Not to mention that one tire costs around 30,000 euros. Well, that was dangerously close. Climate change has once again demonstrated its cruelty. For the past 48 hours, heavy rain accompanied by hail has transformed mining roads into rivers. Due to the intense rainfall, the nearby dam was on the verge of breaking, and it was just a matter of time before the water would breach the dam and rush into the mine. And then disaster struck. A full video detailing this epic disaster will be available in the coming days at the link in the description. How about this 240 tons of precisely spreading gravel? We call it the carpet. Who doesn't like chewing gum? The soup water has boiled. It's time for a break. Slippery roads in the mining industry can be a disaster for productivity. This badass truck driver came up with the idea to raise the dump bed to shift all the weight onto the rear wheels. However, from what I can see, their tires aren't in excellent condition. Stay with us until the end to see what Mother Nature is capable of. Here's another classic example of a rainy day in the quarry. Man, I just love these Bellers trucks. Nothing beats when work goes smoothly. This Komatsu PC4000 loads the gigantic XCMG with gold ore, but the shift would be simply dull if everything went seamlessly. But something strange is happening with the excavator. I wonder what it could be. If you're an excavator expert, write in the comments what's going on. And now my favorite part of the job, pushing mud along the edge of the mine into a 400-meter deep hole. Heavy rain caused a short circuit. Excavators aren't working. Trucks are standing still. A nightmare for any manager. Excellent collaboration between the excavator operator and the workers has resulted in the smooth completion of this job. This Volvo excavator is pulling a large pontoon, which is connected to water pipes for the flotation process and mining needs. Do you remember when I mentioned earlier in the video that the dam had breached? Well, this is the outcome. The day after, a large amount of water, mud, and sludge rushed into a 400-meter deep hole, sweeping everything in its path. Where roads once existed, there is now desolation. Excavators and other equipment were trapped due to road disappearances and material collapses, and production was suspended for several days. In the next few days, we will present the entire video about this epic disaster. Well guys, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this rainy adventure. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mining adventures. Until the next video, take care.